Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Creators, innovators, lifesavers. It's a rare combination, but it's exactly what you'll find in Shelby, North Carolina at Hurst Jaws of Life. For more than 50 years, Hurst has led the way in rescue innovation. They patented the first ever hydraulic rescue tool system, and they haven't stopped innovating since. Every tool is built to extend lives, delivering unmatched performance, durability, and safety. Known around the world as the Jaws of Life, these high-powered rescue tools are used by first responders to cut, spread, and lift wreckage, most often in vehicle crashes, building collapses, and other emergencies like natural disasters. They help rescue teams reach and free trapped victims quickly and safely when every second counts. Today, Hurst continues to evolve. Their latest innovation, the Hurst Tactical Tool, brings unmatched power to law enforcement and military operations. Compact, portable, and mission-ready. It's designed for rapid forced entry and tactical rescue in high-pressure situations. Backed by continuous research and development, Hurst designs tools that meet the toughest rescue demands, engineered with real-life emergencies in mind. Over 35,000 fire, police, and rescue departments worldwide rely on Hurst rescue systems. Their trusted distributor network delivers expert service and support across North America and beyond. Hurst Jaws of Life is part of the IDEX Corporation, a global family of manufacturing companies. With over 40 businesses and 7,000 employees, IDEX helps Hurst expand its mission and impact, delivering life-saving innovation around the world. From the shop floor to the front line, Hurst Jaws of Life tools are more than metal and hydraulics. They're precision-engineered solutions trusted by heroes, built to extend lives. Visit them at jawsoflife.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.